Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are one of my lovely subscribers, thank you for watching my video again. Okay, so today this video is releasing my new digital kit. It's called Delightful Daisies and I've done two versions of it. I'm going to take you right through them now. Some of both kits share some pages, so I'll show you those first. So these are the background pages. Now this is a 69 page kit and there's two of them. So there are 12 background pages, so these are them. I hope you can see those all right. So green and white and yellow with a bit of pink and slight blue colours are the colours that I have featured basically in this kit. You can see that the background pages have got a green tint to them. I've tried to put in, there's a lot of lace in the backgrounds, there's some music. This one's got vintage documents in the background with the little flowers scattered here and there. You can see there's a bit of pink coming through there. This is a lacy. This was actually, I did a freebie for Junk Journal Fix in February, and the paper under here is the base for that. So there's that one. This one's got a bit stronger green, and I've tried to bring in a sort of a damask pattern in the background. It's just light in the background, but it's there. This one's got the green with the lace, and I've brought in a bit more yellow here, a bit darker colouring. This has just got a slight green tinge with a document in the background and the lace. We've got a music page here with the green tinge. So that's all the background pages. Now these background pages are the same in both kits. Okay, exactly the same in both kits. Now I've also got some fussy cuts, and these are exactly the same in both kits as well. There's 7 pages of fussy cuts, so you can see here I've got the daisies very prominent in an assortment of uses. We've got some single fussy cut daisies there, we've got bunches, we've got them. I've tried to put like 2 sizes of each item on here, and if you then print them 2 to a page, well then you'll have 4 sizes of each one. This one's got like 3 sizes of the hats, but that's just because I wanted to fill up a space there. We've got a camera, chair, envelope, coffee. And I wanted to include some frames. Now you can cut the centres out of these frames, or you can just cut them out square and use them as a, you know, like a label or an embellishment in amongst your clusters. Here are some more fussy cut daisies, just in 3 different sizes. And then we've got a couple of different baskets with some daisies in them. This one has a handle, this one doesn't. Bunch, wreath, and a vase of flowers, or a jar of flowers. So that's the fussy cuts. There's, well, I think there's 7 pages of fussy cuts there. So these are exactly the same in both kits as well. Now these are some embellishments that are neutral. So these are embellishments that I've just used the background pages to create, and these will be in the same in both kits as well. Okay, so we've got journaling cards, or you can use these as little labels or as a background for a cluster or those sorts of things. So I've got those with an assortment of papers. This is a coin envelope. So we can cut that out and put that together. These are some library pockets, so we've got the pockets and then these tags sit inside of the pockets. Here we have 2 more coin envelopes. This is a larger one, that one smaller. Here we have like a tag shaped booklet, so they're joined together. You cut them out and then fold them down the crease here and they make a booklet. You can add papers to the inside of that to make a notepad, or you can just use it as a tag. You can even, you know, glue there and make it as a pocket. A couple of butterflies and some scalloped edging. Some more butterflies, various sizes, and 3 domed tags. Some more journaling cards and some neutral labels, varying sizes. Once again, you can print these 2 to a page and then you'll have more sizing as well with those. So they're the embellishments that are the same in both kits. Alright. Okay, so we've got 12 background pages. There's 27 pages of embellishments. There's 7 pages of fussy cuts. And there's 23 pages of journal pages, making a total of 69 pages in each kit. Now I'll show you the papers. So let me just see if I can find 2 exactly the same so I can explain the difference. 23. Let's see if I can find one. Okay, so this is the normal kit. Okay, so you've got your pictures on there, fairly bright, not outlandishly bright, but bright enough that you can see them. And this is the same paper in the grunge kit, so you can see that they're pushed more to the background. So that's the difference between the 2 kits. This is the grunge kit and this is the normal kit. So depending on which style you prefer would be which style you would choose, which kit you would choose. Okay, so I'll now go through these pages. So these are the journal pages for the standard kit. So nice and cheerful, very springy. We're going into autumn here in Australia, but I know that on the other side of the world you're going into spring. So I wanted to do something a bit more bright and cheerful. I've done a few pages like this which have got, I mean they're different florals, but they've got the border along the bottom, so when you fold them over you've got a really pretty page. Nice, see that's lovely. You can see I've used the embellishments, like the fussy cut pieces are used throughout the journal pages. I've got a little bee down the bottom there. I've also got here I've brought in a bit of pink with the envelope. Here we've got a nice big wreath. Once again, fold that over and you've got a lovely page. Here you could put, you know, you could stamp on those, you could put a label on those, you could do all sorts with that. You could even cut around that and then tuck something in behind it if you wanted to. Here we have a bit more pink. We've got a pink butterfly in here. We've got a bit of gold or yellow going through our background there. That's a lovely one. Here we've got the vase of flowers or the jar of flowers and a book. It's an all over floral. That could be a background page, but here's another one of those ones with the border along the bottom. I think most of the ones now have got the border along the bottom, but you can see they're all different flowers. This one's got a bit of mauve and pink. There's another one. But I just thought that the row of florals along the bottom just made for a pretty page. Okay, so they're the pages for the plain kit, the Delightful Daisies. Now, these are the pages for the Delightful Daisies Grunge. So you can see the difference. The images are not as bright, they're much grungier and pushed more to the background. They are very much the same as the normal plain kit, except some. There's only a couple that are a bit different, but I've basically used the same pages for both. I have printed mine on 120 GSM premium paper. I'll show you. So I've used that paper, A4 Premium Digital. I hope that's not glaring too much. By Burroughs. I got this at Officeworks here in Australia. So you can see the pink envelopes and everything pushed more to the background in this kit. Our signs are more in the background. Definitely a more grungy look to it. You can pause the video if you want to get a closer look at any of these pages, of course. I've got a rose petal from when I had them outside photographing them. Okay, so they're the pages in the grunge range. Now then, these are the embellishment pages. Now, the embellishment pages are the same in both kits, except that they in this kit they've got the plain look, and in the grunge kit they've got the grunge look. So that's the difference. So all of the embellishments in the grunge kit look like this, and all of the embellishments in the plain kit look like this. So that's that one. You can compare. That one is that one. So you can see the difference, how different they are. That one and that one. And that one and that one. So all of these in this plain kit are exactly the same in the grunge kit, except they've got this look to them. Okay, I didn't print them all out in the grunge kit because, you know, how long did I want my printer to run for? There are 27 pages of these, and I didn't want the same thing twice, 27 times. So that is the grunge, but they're all the same as this. except for the grunge look, okay? And I've already shown you those. They were the ones that we compared. So, coin envelope, pocket, large tags. This is a bag, so you fold that down there, fold that up and glue it together, and you've got yourself a bag. And then we've got some butterflies on that. Here we have an index folder, so that folds in half. And here we have a envelope, a rectangular envelope. Here we have some more journaling cards in the 2 sizes. So these have got images on them, whereas I did already show you some that are plain. The plain ones, I figured that you could decorate them yourself. You know, it gives you a base that you can build your clusters and things on. Then we've got that one, more journaling cards and more journaling cards. Then we've got a page of labels. So in the other one that we've got that's in both packs, there's another set of labels like this, except it's a neutral background. It's like a brownish colour. Here we have some more journaling cards. More journaling cards. And more. Here we have some of those frames. Now, these frames have got backgrounds behind them, so you can use them as pockets. You can use them as like a base for a cluster. You can use them for all sorts of things. So there's that one and this one. And here we have another bag, but this is a smaller one. Here we have 6 tags, small tags, 3 plain and 3 with a pattern. Here we have another bag, slightly different size. So I think all 3 bags are a different size. And then we've got some butterflies along this one as well. Here we have a booklet that you can fold over. This one's got the image on it and a pocket. This is an envelope and some butterflies. Here we have the library pocket, so we've got the pocket and the tag to go in the pocket with the images on it and the matching images. You can match the images or you can mix them up to you. Here we've got some file folder pockets, so these are gusseted pockets. You fold along there and then you've got yourself a gusseted pocket. You can put a little label on your index tab. Here we have some large tags, and here we have 2 more pockets, 2 more bags, one plain one, one with a pattern. Okay, so now there are there's 2 pockets in there. I figured that we probably all know how to make pockets, so I didn't really include any side pockets or anything like that in the kit. It was just getting way too big. As it is, as I said, 69 pages, so I could go on forever, but I have to stop somewhere. So that's my new kit. I hope you like it. I will put a link in the description box. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop and my Ko-fi shop as an instant download. So just please make sure that you select the one that you want, whether you want the Daisies or the Daisy Grunge. So Delightful Daisies or Delightful Daisies Grunge. And the grunge one is that one, where the images blend more into the background. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you like my digital kit, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.